You wouldn't dare knock that vending machine over, would you? Try it and see what happens. You might get in trouble. You might get yelled at by the vending machine proprietor. Try it. I just don't want you to get into trouble, honey. But if you want to try and see what happens, you're free. Try it. You're free. I just don't want you to get into trouble. Try it and see what happens. You're free. I just don't want you getting into trouble, Try it. You're free. Try it and see what happens. You wouldn't dare knock that other vending machine over as well, would you? Oh well, try it and see what happens. You might get into trouble. The manager might come and yell at you from a very far away distance. Try it. I wouldn't recommend it, but if you want to go ahead and see what happens, go right ahead. I wouldn't recommend you to, honey. Try it. You're right. Yeah. Try it and see what happens. Go right ahead. You might not be allowed to get snacks from the vending machine ever again, but if you want to try it and see what happens, go right ahead. Feel free. You're free. Go ahead. I just want to prevent you from getting into trouble, honey, so you don't get grounded. But if you want to go ahead and observe what happens, feel free. Go ahead and give it a try. Try it and see what happens. You always wanted to get into trouble. You're free. Go right ahead. Just try it and see what happens.